partial fractions. Now, partial fractions is another way of rearranging an equation, and generally it can make integrating an equation much easier, especially if the equation couldn't be integrated previously. So, for example, the integral of 6x plus 14 over x squared plus 2x minus 15 dx. This would be a very difficult integral, but we can split it up into two simpler integrals using partial fractions. So 6x plus 14 over, we can factor this bottom part into x minus 3 and x plus 5. Negative 3 plus 5 equals negative 15. Negative 3 plus 5. Negative 3 times 5 equals negative 15. Negative 3 plus 5 equals 2. That works. Now, we can then break this down, which equals a over x minus 3 plus b over x plus 5. Now, from that point, what we can then do is put this into from there we can get 6x plus 14 is going to be equal to a x plus 5 plus b x minus 3. The way this works is because to simplify this partial fraction, we'd multiply b by this 3x plus 5 and a by this x plus 5. And those two terms multiplied by those other two terms should equal 6x plus 14, just like this. Now, upon doing this, we can get so say we want to find a first. Well, we set x equal to 3, so that way b goes to 0, because 3 minus 3 is 0. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 6 times 3 is 24 plus 14, which is 38. Now, a is equal to 8, so 8a equals 38. 6 times 3 is 18, 18 plus 14, that's 32. 8a equals 32. So now, divide both sides by 8. 4 equals a. Now we can solve for b doing the exact same thing. And bring this down here. Alright, so we set, except this time we can set x equal to negative 5. So b is equal to negative 5 minus 3, negative 8. 6 times negative 5 is negative 30 plus 14. Now, negative 30 plus 14 should be about negative 16, equal to negative 8b. Divide negative 16 by negative 8, 2 equals b. So, now we have, if this is equal to this is equal to this, and a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 2, well then for our integral we can plug in 4 x minus 3 plus 2 x plus 5 plus 5. Actually, it would be beneficial to break this up into two different integrals. Dx plus dx. There. Now we have two different integrals, and when we evaluate each of them, we will get, generally what we're going to happen is, since these are single variable on the bottom to the power of 1, they turn to ln's. So 4 ln absolute value of x minus 3, just basic u substitution, plus 2 ln absolute value of x plus 5. And that is how you do integration through partial fractions.